So when I was in sixth grade, I made things happen. तो मतलब क्या किया मैंने? So I was very confident. I used to get a lot of attention from people. मुझे लगता है वो true था because my father was an officer, an army officer. And I had two elder sisters who guided me and still guides me today. So I used to get a lot of attention from girls, from everyone. But the main thing that I was really attracted to was nature. मुझे बाहर जाना बहुत पसंद था, मुझे खेलना बहुत पसंद था. Getting lost into bushes, jungles. ये आर्मी इलाके, you know how it is. The geography is very different whenever you move from quarters to quarters. So that used to happen to me. Magar, you know from fourth grade to sixth grade, as I was growing up, and तो जैसे ही मैं फिफ्थ और सिक्स ग्रेड में पहुंचा, आई मैं सडनली बहुत सबकॉन्शियस था. आई जस्ट स्टार्टेड टेकिंग एक्शंस. फॉर एग्जांपल कोई भी फेस्टिवल्स होते थे, आई वुड टेक चार्ज ऑफ इट. अगर लोग कुछ बोले कि ये छोटा है, ये वो है, आई जस्ट नेवर केयर्ड अबाउट दैम. एंड लाइक थॉट ही नहीं आता था कि क्या लोग सोच रहे हैं. आई जस्ट वांटेड टू एंजॉय इट. आई जस्ट वांटेड टू क्रिएट इट. सो आई स्टिल रिमेंबर कि जब भी दशहरा आता था, कि जब भी रावण बनाना होता था ना, तो somebody used to take charge of it. तो मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड था. एंड आई ऑलवेज took charge that ये जो मेरी कॉलोनी है, uh, that I will make this Ravan. So, so people from like 12th grade started asking me in every festival that Shan, तुम ये are you doing this? तुम मतलब इस बार तू भी create कर रहा है ना? So like they started looking up that he's going to make these things happen during these festivals. So I never overthought, and I was very confident, and I was like, I used to listen to my inner voice. This is what I'm trying to impart here. That मैं अपनी voice को सुना हूँ शुरू से. When it comes to anything, even girls. In this video, I want to talk about how I lost everything. So just wanted to give you an idea, like growing up, it was very smooth. I think it was not because of me, but because of my family and the kind of upbringing they were giving me, and the surroundings. How I kind of lost it all. तो मैं उसके बारे में बात करूँगा. मतलब काइंड ऑफ पूरा लॉस नहीं किया, क्योंकि अंदर मुझे आई थिंक मेरी स्पिरिट इनबिल्ट है इससे कि नेवर गिव अप. So after sixth grade, I ended up changing my school. I was in another state. Magar in and that one year I felt so terrible because I ended up changing everything. For example, I used to live in a society where I used to constantly interact with people, constantly interact with friends, used to go out. Just the social media तो था ही नहीं, तो evening में with friends we used to run, laugh, प्लेग्राउंड्स में खेलते रहते थे, उधर फुटबॉल खेलना, क्रिकेट खेलना. Then used to, we had this thing where there was this big massive tree, and we used to throw rocks. There was like a thing where people, friends, all the kids used to gather, used to throw rocks at the tree so that the fruits can fall and we can eat it at that time. So ये सब किया है. And suddenly I was in another state. वहाँ पे कुछ social कुछ था ही नहीं. Like there was just actually my dad retired, and we ended up in our hometown, and there was nothing. मतलब कोई social life नहीं थी. There was just fields after fields, गन्ने के खेत, and nothing else. That one year in school, I was so emotional, I was so vulnerable, I was so weak, I never got any marks. And I didn't know English as well. It was terrible. जो मतलब नए students थे, whenever a new student comes up, they like किसी से मेरी पटती नहीं थी, एंड दैट वन ईयर आई फेल्ट सो शैलो. Magar, in that 1 year, after 6 months, 7 months, I transitioned into a, like, a desi person. And my mom started worrying about me. She thought, मतलब ऐसा मुझे फीलिंग लगी कि इनको ऐसा ना लगे कि साला ये बड़े होके गुंडा ना बन जाए कुछ. So that year my father shifted to an industrial area. And you know he's known for his work ethic, and he wanted to get involved in different businesses. So he shifted to Gujarat, and then he took our family there. And then वहाँ पे जब मैं शिफ्ट हुआ, I suddenly had a different kind of environment, a very high standard environment compared to where I was living. And I suddenly had a laptop with me, an internet connection, an air conditioner that, मतलब पूरे दिन चला सकता था मैं, और चलाता था. मतलब कुछ भी खाओ, ऐश करो. But suddenly that transition period was again very hard. Because suddenly मैं एक साल मेरा adapt करने में लगा नई place में, and suddenly I was in another state. And for the next 5 years I lived in that place. तो basically हुआ क्या कि I didn't know English, and that school primarily spoke in this language that I'm speaking right now. They didn't tolerate Hindi. काफ़ी रेयर लोग थे जो, मतलब जिसको इंग्लिश नहीं आती थी. दे इमिडिएटली शिफ्टेड टू अनदर स्कूल वेयर हिंदी वाज लाइक, तुम बात कर सकते हो हिंदी में, इंग्लिश में भी बात कर सकते हो टीचर के साथ, बट नॉट इन माई स्कूल. बट आई डिडंट चेंज माई स्कूल. आई वाज लाइक, लेट्स go. People never didn't talk to me. There were, जब आप 8 9 स्टैंडर्ड में जाते हो टिल 12th grade, ग्रुप्स बन जाते हैं. तो आई wasn't a part of any group. फिर धीरे 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 आई बिकेम पार्ट ऑफ द ग्रुप, बट डीप इनसाइड मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था मैं अपनी वॉइस नहीं सुन रहा. मैं बस ट्राई कर रहा हूँ कि फिट इन हो जाऊँ. और पिछले पिछले फॉर द नेक्स्ट 5 years ये मैंने ऐसा किया, और मैं काफ़ी सक्सेसफुल था ये सब, मतलब फिट इन होने में. बट डीप इनसाइड देयर वाज दिस वॉइस इनसाइड ऑफ मी दैट सेड कि बी योर सेल्फ, मतलब ये सब क्यों कर रहे हो. But and plus I ended up falling for someone as well. मुझे उस टाइम भी कभी कोई मार्क्स नहीं आए. आई बेरली 10th grade तक मुझे, मतलब इंग्लिश प्रॉपरली नहीं आती थी. 11th grade में थोड़ी कैचअप कर. In that period, I the positive thing that I did was I got involved in sports. I used to play basketball. I used to play football. I used to play every sport that I wanted to play, and that's the best part of that whole 5 years of my high school. During those years, the negative thing was that I used to watch um, um, wrong kind of videos on the internet. तो टाइम पास के लिए यूट्यूब खोला, जस्ट रैंडम बिंज वॉचिंग वीडियोस. 5 साल यही सब ही किया. मतलब आई couldn't concentrate on any subjects. I used to eat a lot of junk food. So 8th standard के बाद I started having a cystic acne on my face, on my chest, on my back. मतलब पूरा लाल हो गया था यहाँ से पूरा. And मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस पूरा नीचे ही चले गया. And and I still used to get attention, मगर इतनी नहीं. And I from girls, yes, I used to get attention, but as I said, I fell for someone at that time. And I thought कि मेरा ऐसा लॉजिक था कि पंजाबी बॉयज़ का ऐसा लॉजिक होता है कि मतलब एक ही है, तो मतलब अगर एक से ही हुआ है तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि पंजाबी बॉयज़ जो दिल के साफ़ हैं, अगर एक से ही होता है तो एक के साथ ही रहते हैं पूरे टाइम. सो मेरा माइंडसेट ऐसा ही था कुछ कि अगर ये है तो अगर इसका भी है तो विल मेक इट समहाउ. बट स्पॉइलर अलर्ट, ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ. मेरा ही कटा है. तो तो उसके बाद फिनिश्ड 12th grade. मतलब 5 साल ये सभी किया, ग्रुप में फिट हुआ, ट्राई टू गेट मार्क्स कि वैसे लगे इंजीनियर बन जाऊंगा, एंड एंड यस लाइक कॉन्स्टेंटली कि तुम कहीं फिट हो रहे हो, इम्प्रेस कर रहे हो, बट नॉट, यू फील दैट कि जब तुम ग्रुप में फिट होते हो, you laugh at different people's joke, but deep inside you feel that there's nothing authentic, मतलब कुछ रियल बॉन्ड बिल्ड नहीं हो रहा, सब कंपटीशन में, सब सोसाइटी की, they're following society's rules, and I don't want to follow any of these rules at all. I just wanted to be raw, authentic, and vulnerable, emotional, and be fierce, be you know straightforward, not straightforward, but be assertive. सो आई वांटेड टू बिकम ऑल ऑफ दैट. तो पूरे 5 साल तो कभी मार्क्स नहीं आए. पूरा 5 साल में एक्ने से फेस भर गया था. आई एंड देन आई स्टार्टेड हैविंग डीप डीप स्कार्स ऑन माई फेस, ऑन माई हेयर, हेयर इन माई चेस्ट, जैसे पूरे बुलेट होल्स लगते थे यहाँ पे, किसी ने बुलेट्स मार दिए हैं यहाँ पे. ट्राइंग टू फिट इन सोसाइटी के रूल्स फॉलो करना, मार्क्स 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 पूरे टाइम. आई बिकेम डिप्रेस्ड. आई became addicted to videos. I became emotional. And जब वो I thought कि the person that that I wanted to be with, she, वो तो सिर्फ उसने attention ही सीख किया है. हाँ ना कुछ नहीं, बस attention 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 attention. And in the end of the day, जब 12th clear हुई, कोई नहीं support के लिए था. I was just alone, except the only person that was supporting me was my parents, my sisters, my brother-in-laws, और कोई नहीं. और आई एम सो ग्रेटफुल फॉर दैट. तो जिससे मैं सोच रहा था होगा कुछ, शी डिडंट गिव अ शिट. उसके लाइफ में बहुत, शी वाज लाइक वेरी वेरी ब्यूटीफुल, तो उसके लाइफ में बहुत अटेंशन मिला, एंड शी जस्ट बिकेम इनडिफरेंट एंड कोल्ड, एंड दैट वाज one of the biggest lessons um, that I had at that period of my life. And after 12th I came to Mumbai. I wasn't getting any college after school because marks ही नहीं आए मुझे. मतलब 70%, 75% कट ऑफ था, 98%, तो मुझे कोई कॉलेज नहीं मिला. But suddenly I got a call from a really good college, and because kind of बिजनेस है शायद कि जितने लेंथ ले फिर थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा ले लो, और आई डोंट नो, आई कैन बी रॉन्ग, बट you know how it goes if you're in Mumbai and if you're living in Mumbai. So I somehow got a college. फिर I was doing mass communication, and the thing with my English is that ki I never learned English from reading books during that period of my life. I never learned English from like properly ऐसे स्कूल में सिखाते हैं ना कि ग्रामर फिर टेक्स्ट बुक रीडिंग. मतलब this existed in all of my school, but मैंने कभी attention ही नहीं दी थी, तो मैंने कभी सीखा ही नहीं था. So I learned my English from watching movies, watching primarily watching all the English movies. So मेरा वहाँ पे थोड़ा बेस बन गया कि um, शायद एक्टिंग के लिए जाना चाहिए. और मैं आई वाज सो एम्बिशियस, एंड आई एम स्टिल वेरी एम्बिशियस कि मतलब कि आई कैन मेक इट. मैं ऐसे ही सोच रहा था कि कोई भी कुछ बोले कि दे वर लाइक कि बॉलीवुड तो दूर ही है, ये तो हॉलीवुड के बारे में सोच रहा है. बॉलीवुड में तो होगा ही नहीं बिल्कुल भी, हॉलीवुड के बारे में क्या सोची जा रहा है. सो बट स्टिल आई डिडंट केयर. आई जस्ट, अंदर की वॉइस थी, एंड आई स्टार्टेड, I knew everything about movies. That's the bottom line. So I knew everything about movies. So after in college, when I was in college, I started going to college. The thing I did was I never gave a shit about mingling in groups, and वो थोड़े पैटर्न्स जो रिपीट हो रहे थे हाई स्कूल के, मुझे वो रिपीट नहीं करने थे स्कूल कॉलेज में. सो I didn't want to have a lot of friends. I just wanted to have a few friends that were, we were, so that we were loyal to each other. अगर दुनिया में आपके मतलब 100 दोस्त हैं, but you know deep inside कि जब when you are in trouble they are no more there with you, what's the point of having those friends? So मेरी ऐसी mentality थी कि if you want to have any friends, like talk to the world, there's nothing wrong with it, be nice to them. And but if you're having like good close friends, you should know their being and they should know their your being, मतलब एक connection होना चाहिए. And that connection आप ऐसे कुछ negotiation transactional नहीं हो सकता, ये naturally form होता है. If you have such kind of friends, then be grateful, and I'm grateful for them. फर्स्ट ईयर में ही आइडिया आ गया था कि लेट्स राइट अ बुक, मतलब ये एक आइडिया था कि चल बुक लिखते हैं. एंड कुछ बेस नहीं था इस आइडिया का, कि कुछ एक्सपीरियंस नहीं था, बट आई स्टार्टेड राइटिंग इट एवरी डे. मतलब आई जस्ट kept on writing a page, a page, a page. Even मतलब the professors in the college kind of appreciating me जब मैं एक बारी पैराग्राफ पढ़ रहा था एक बारी कॉलेज में. So the ma'am was really great. She appreciated me that that's a really good writing. And एक दो फ्रेंड थे, मैं ऐसी स्टोरीज लिखने लग गया. They were like, you like अच्छी है, मतलब practice more. And every day for the next 3 years I started writing a page, a single page and a single page. And that after third year, that turned into a book, a science fiction book. मुझे नहीं पता था कि मैं science fiction लिख रहा हूँ. I was inspired by, you know, Christopher Nolan, फिर the director of Sicario, and think movies like you know ऐसी movies. And and I was so into them that I started writing it. I started writing. Third year में I self-published my book on Amazon. फिर मैं एक competition में था. I somehow got it in top 5. But जब मैं top 5 में आया, I also by that time had started reading books, and I got to know that my book was really shit. It was मतलब बकवास थी. तो कंपटीशन अमेजोन में था, तो मैंने दोस्तों को बोल बोल के या फिर रैंडमली टॉकिंग टू स्ट्रेंजर्स कि प्लीज़ मेरी बुक बाय कर लो एंड प्लीज़ मुझे रिव्यू दे दो. सो टॉकिंग टू स्ट्रेंजर एंड लाइक डूइंग बिजनेस इन द सेंस कि बोल रहा था कि बाय करो एंड ऑल दैट. दैट वाज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट प्रोफाउंड लेसन्स दैट आई हैड. क्योंकि जो मैंने 3 साल में कॉलेज में नहीं सीखा, वो एक दो दिन या एक हफ्ते में सीख गया था. Talking to strangers, building a network, and you know how to be more social. मैं कॉलेज में social बिल्कुल नहीं था. I was just looking for ways to, you know, stand up on my own. And I didn't give a shit about anybody, even girls. मतलब मैंने कुछ कुछ इतना अटेंशन ही नहीं दिया, क्योंकि मैं अपने आप में बिजी था. आई वांट टू फिगर आउट माई ओन इनर वर्किंग्स. जब मैं खुद ही अगर मैं कुछ इनर इनर फील ही नहीं कर रहा, हाउ कैन आई मतलब मेक समबडी, यू नो, ऑथेंटिक इंटरेक्शन कैसे होगा? So during those 3 years, as I was writing this book, I also started going to the gym, because after 12 I was fat. मैं fat था. I had cystic acne all over my body. Scars form हो रहे थे वहाँ पे, यहाँ पे scars, यहाँ पे. इतना I became so self conscious, obsessive, depressed था, anxiety थी, vulnerable था, emotional था. I used to cry also, because I didn't have any like, ऐसा मेरा अंदर ऐसे होता है कि खुद के मनी होना चाहिए, पैसे होने चाहिए थोड़े बहुत. Girl that was in high school, I thought कि जिसके साथ I was thinking कि uh, हो जाएगा, अपन सब कुछ कर लें. She never did anything. She never called. Nothing. So I became very you know, emotional, vulnerable, and which I didn't have no idea, no direction in life. I was just writing for this. I was just writing. I don't know why I was writing, but I was writing, and I wasn't a writer. मेरी English भी मतलब ठीक ठाक ही थी, but I just kept on writing. And after third year, and after coming in top 5, I I realized the book was shit. And the next 2 years I started refining the book for some reason, क्योंकि मुझे एक publisher मिल गया था. I don't know why publisher मिल गया था, but um, and then after next 2 years book book was around like 30,000 words. उसको मैं next 2 years 3 years ले गया 130,000 words, so more than 100,000 words. After college I started living off my own because third year में मैंने freelancing चालू कर दी थी. And so what I the mistake I did was I was so focused on self improvement that I wiped out my social life completely. मैं isolated हो गया था, lonely हो गया था, और मैं shit भी नहीं दी loneliness की, क्योंकि मैं I was addicted to coffee, espresso shots. I was addicted to espresso shots. So and I used to live alone. I had this espresso machine, and I used to write for clients all over the world, novel writing, script writing. But the one thing I did, the mistake I did was I wasn't evolving. Like in writing, I was evolving, but in business, I wasn't evolving. I thought कि as long as quality provide करते रहूँगा, push करते रहूँगा तो हो जाएगा. That didn't happen. और जब मेरी book launch हुई, कोई ऐसे खरीद भी नहीं रहा था मेरी book. तो मतलब from outside, others people perception would be like, hey, he's 22, he has published his own novel, he's living alone, girlfriend होगी इसकी बहुत सारी, मगर ऐसा कुछ था ही नहीं. Such concepts didn't exist. And when you as an individual go through these things, you will understand that experiencing reality is so different from perception, because everyone sometimes is a fool in everybody's mind. So कोई जापानीज प्रोवर्ब था कि हम कुछ ना कुछ सोचते रहते दूसरे के बारे, मगर ऐसी रियलिटी नहीं होती. एंड सो आई गॉट एडिक्टेड टू कैफीन. खाली पेट मैं एस्प्रेसो शॉट कंज्यूम करता था दिन के, लाइक एट 4 AM 5 AM. फिर उसके बाद जिम जाता था एंड यूज टू रन. मेरी कोई सोशल लाइफ थी नहीं, बस यही थी, जिम जिम, थोड़ा बहुत टॉक बात करना. बट आई स्टिल रिमेंबर कि आई यूज टू सिट इन अ कैफे जब मैं ये सब कर रहा था. तो there was this one girl in the mall. She's like really good position, and very like perhaps was around my age, very beautiful she was, and she is. And she kind of started giving me attention. So I was like ठीक है चलो, um, she's giving attention, ठीक है, I'll appreciate it. मैंने लगा होगा एक दो दिन ऐसे नॉर्मल रहता है ना कभी कभी. And and I was like क्यों दे रही है attention, like I was during the third, all these 3 years in college, I had long hair, very long hair. I was ribbed by the third year, but I wasn't into girls and anything. I wasn't into anybody. I was into myself. So after college, after 2 3 years after college, I was like finally publishing this book, right, freelancing, started my freelancing career. And this girl suddenly came like, and suddenly मुझे कुछ interest ही नहीं था उस girl में, बिल्कुल भी नहीं था. She was beautiful. I still remember जब मैं एक बारी कैफे में बैठा था, she came into the cafe and she like, can I talk to you? And the guy who was serving me this drink, he's like, अरे वाह. Like he was like so shocked कि मतलब ये अचानक से लड़की किसको बुला रही है ऐसे. and 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 for the I was like ठीक है. I didn't like comprehend anything that deeply. I was into my work, and I was into like Hollywood jana. So delusional. मतलब, one might think that this is very delusional thinking, but I would suggest that कि तुम कोई भी अपने फेज हो, कोई भी फेज में हो अपने लाइफ में, लिसन टू योर ओन वॉइस. अपनी मतलब ठीक है, अपनी फैमिली की सुन लो, अपनी सिस्टर की सुन लो, अपने ब्रदर की सुन लो. वो सजेस्ट करते रहेंगे, अगर एल्डर है स्पेशली, कि ये करो वो करो, ये मत करो, इस चीज़ में मत आओ. बट लिसन टू योर ओन वॉइस. समटाइम्स मतलब ठीक है फैमिली को सुनो, मगर अपनी भी सुनो. सो सो आई थिंक दैट इज़ वेरी important. So this girl, she ended up like doing attention जब attraction होता है, people do weird things. So she did I won't say weird things, but मैं ही फूल था एक्चुअली. तो मैंने कभी से टेंशन ही नहीं दी, मतलब मैं अपने आप में इतना फोकस था, मैंने शिट ही नहीं दी. आई डिडंट गिव एनी शिट. एंड फॉर 4 5 years मतलब उसने किया ये. एंड एंड apologize अगर वो काइंड ऑफ ये देख रही हो वीडियो. Coming back to my thing, I was like addicted to caffeine. मैं कैफीन एडिक्ट था. इतनी हाई एनर्जी फील होता था सुबह 4 5 बजे उठ के ड्रिंकिंग एस्प्रेसो शॉट, डबल एस्प्रेसो शॉट. फिर उसके बाद कभी कभी मैंने ग्रीन टी भी पीना चालू कर दी. सब खा everything empty stomach, and I started like losing my hair, and I never groomed my beard during that period of life. So people started thinking that I'm like 31 32 old ही है. But under se I was ripped and everything. But due to shocking my system, fasting the whole day, I I, I put my system through like flight and fight response. So I did this for the like next 2 3 years. फिर उसके बाद I started losing my hair, and then I started applying serums, and uh, and I had these big scars on my face. I'm still vulnerable about it. The bottom line is कि मेरी सोशल लाइफ पूरी वाइप्ड आउट हो गई थी. आई वॉज लिविंग इन आइसोलेशन, आई वॉज लोनली. जब मेरी बुक रिलीज हुई कोई नहीं था. मेरे फ्रेंड्स थे 2 3, and my parents were there, and nothing, no one was there for me. So my sister and brother-in-law went to Canada, and and I was and I then felt कि शायद अब अकेले ही करना पड़ेगा वो सब कुछ. So but I have my brothers in Mumbai, and they're very supportive, and वो घर आते रहते हैं. So I'm grateful for them as well. And तो क्या हुआ था कि मैं I was addicted to coffee, and really like अगर मुझे कॉफ़ी नहीं मिलती थी, my body used to have anxiety, jitters, headache, all that negative side effects that you can think of. I had that. And plus I used to like I was addicted to videos and all that. And अकेले रहता था, and wiped out my social life completely. मुझे लगा self improvement ही सब कुछ है. Well, if I have money, all the money in the world, I can do anything. And but I was wrong. So after my sister went to Canada, and my brother-in-law went to Canada, um, I put so much immense pressure on myself कि घर चलाना है, and have to pay bills, have to take care of this. So I never took any interest in women at all. मैं अपने में ही था. I was so self-centered. And business में भी evolve नहीं होता. I was evolving in writing. My writing was getting really good, I think, because of the clients. They were giving me good reviews. But and my freelancing business was like ठीक ही था, ऐसे ऊपर नहीं जा रहा था मतलब. um, so I was like with time everything will get okay, but ऐसे नहीं होता. That's what I learned. You have to get savvy at business, and you have to constantly learn, you have to constantly evolve. ठीक है, you have a particular specialization in something, but um, that is one thing. But having a business mindset to look at that specialization, to grow that specialization, having a team and expanding that, it is another art form. And that's what I'm realizing right now. तो caffeine से addict था, no socialization, barely talking to anyone except people in the gym, not going outside that much. And when my sister was there here, I used to go out with the family a lot, but suddenly it was all gone. And then I used to sit in a cafe. uh, Social anxiety was off the chart, and I was getting acne, cystic acne, and they were turning into like uh, pigmentation, and these big deep scars, and it made me more self-conscious, more anxious, more vulnerable, more emotional, मतलब childlike behavior. And this cycle of consuming coffee and all that, writing, putting through, going through that hustle, self improvement. And I was then on a medication known as Accutane, which is isotretinoin 10 mg that I had. And for the next 6 7 months, my skin started clearing up. But again, the acne came back. And then I was another cycle of Accutane. And then it started messing with my blood pressure. And when that happened, I started having anxiety, extreme anxiety. I started having heart palpitations. I started having OCD like thoughts. And I remember that as I'm living in this building, and there's this girl, she walks with her dog, and with her sister as well. I respect them, of course. And so I again kind of started getting attention, I think. And but I was so into myself, and self-centered, thinking that business is everything. So with the BP change, fluctuations in BP, and I finally had a panic attack because at a cafe, and I thought I was going to die, and that feeling like changed everything because I felt I thought I had taken care of my body for so long. I thought if I'm taking care of my body, everything will be fine. But I think that I wasn't taking care of my nervous system at all. Like, yes, I could, like, I had abs and everything, and I can run, I can play any sport. And but nervous system, the art of breathing, the art of calming your system, the art of being in peace with yourself. Yes, like हाँ मैं meditation करता था, but I had put my body in flight or fight response. I was addicted to stimulants. So I finally had a panic attack for the next couple of months, like for a year. My senses were, it took me time to stabilize my senses. So after panic attack, after a month, it was during November, and this girl who used to walk with a really cute dog. So so I so the thing was, whenever I used to go outside, uh, I started having vertigos. मुझे चक्कर आने लग जाते थे, मुझे OCD like thoughts आने लग जाते थे, और मैंने पूरी कैफीन वगैरह स्टॉप कर दी थी immediately. So I knew that कि caffeine medication जो isotretinoin and Accutane that I was taking, I stopped using it. So suddenly when you pump the brakes, तो withdrawals body को experience करने पड़ते हैं. So I was experiencing withdrawals. This girl, so we started talking, and मुझे चक्कर आ रहे हैं हर बारी. मैं जब भी बात करूँ, मेरे से इससे सही से बात नहीं हो रही, मैं घबरा रहा हूँ. मुझे समझ ही नहीं आ रहा कि मैं कहाँ पे हूँ. बट आई समहाउ, मतलब मैं बात करता था, मैं बाहर आता था, लाइक एटलीस्ट चलो बाहर आओ, लेट्स थोड़ा सोशलाइज करते हैं. तो परहैप्स शायद दैट गर्ल हैज़ मूव्ड ऑन, आई डोंट नो, आई कैन बी रॉन्ग. मगर मैं अपने आप को यू नो सॉल्व कर रहा था for the next 1 year. So after panic attack, after a month, after two, after talking with that girl, vertigos आ रहे, चक्कर आ रहे, तब भी मैं बात कर रहा था. Because I liked her authenticity. I liked that she was is very family oriented, and I think that I'm one man. I'm a one woman man. मतलब ये वोडका डाइट्स वाली, I can't like I haven't built a connection with these types of girls. तो मैं उनको ऐसे offend नहीं कर रहा और वो सब नहीं. Just letting you know my uh, honest thoughts. Yeah, I don't like कि club जाने वाली. I am not into those girls. In that 1 year, as I was building my senses, कुछ मुझे पता ही नहीं था मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, क्या नहीं कर रहा हूँ. काइंड ऑफ स्टार्टेड लूजिंग माई बिजनेस. मतलब अभी मैं रिकवर कर रहा हूँ काइंड ऑफ बिजनेस से अपने, एंड जो फ्रीलांसिंग राइटिंग बिजनेस है. and then the next year, after taking after I also went to Rishikesh to river rafting, even though I was facing all these repercussions. And then the next year, like 6 months back, I went to my hometown. I lived with my parents for the next 3 or 4 months. And after 3 or 4 months, in that period of time, I again started socializing. Again started playing football. I again started doing, little by little, failing at every step, talking to strangers. And thoda 1%, uh, I'm coming back to that kid that that used to take charge of everything. So so, इस वीडियो इस वीडियो का मतलब मैं ये बताना चाहता हूँ कि I don't have any blood pressure issues at all. I don't have any anxiety at all. I don't have any fluctuations in my hormones or anything. कभी कभी of course I feel some withdrawals sometimes जो caffeine के हैं. But other than that, I just want to express myself. I want to chase. I still want to chase my dreams. I still want to build my business. I still want to have a team. I still want to, you know, chase the right, not chase the be with the right kind of women, because Punjabi हूँ. Like मुझे from the start my inner voice, I just feel कि मतलब एक के साथ ही होना चाहिए, if that other person is the right person, and if you think that you both can grow together. And मैंने फाइंड आउट किया है कि मैं मतलब ऐसे मल्टीपल पार्टनर्स वाला बंदा नहीं हूँ. एंड आई एम फाइन बाय इट. आई एम मुझे कोई रिग्रेट नहीं है इन सब चीज़ में. आई जस्ट वांट टू फॉलो माय वॉइस. एंड दिस चैनल इज़ अबाउट दैट, कि यू um, taking care of your physical health, but at the same time taking care of your mental health, taking care of your emotional health, taking care of your spiritual health. Because मैंने एक चीज़ समझी है कि your past happened in the present moment, your future will happen in the present moment. All you have is the present moment. So anything that you have to do will, you know has to happen in the present moment. अगर प्रेजेंट मोमेंट में वो चीज़ें एग्जीक्यूशंस नहीं होंगी, वो टाइम हील ही नहीं कर पाएगा. Because execution is important. Universe doesn't reward intelligence all the time. It rewards actions all the time. और अगर आप अभी उस फेज में हो कि you know you're doing everything, मगर things are not working out for you, I think that is a trait. You're still going, you're still figuring out. मतलब तुम actions ले रहे हो. If you are waking up late, if you are sleeping late, if things are not right when it comes to your relationships with anybody, with women, with your family, with anything, तुम शायद settle नहीं हो अभी. तुम शायद these things will go on. But at the same time all these things are going, you are taking action for your career, for your the person you want to be. So this channel is about, I mean, I haven't figured out everything, but I've figured out some things. अगर तुम लोग भी एंजाइटी फील कर रहे हो, लोनलीनेस फील कर रहे हो, and and I think that this is an epidemic that is going on. People are becoming lonely. People are becoming addicted to online content, not real life, not attached to reality, attached to dopamine hit. And if you are all about that, then I think that this channel is for you. Subscribe अगर तुम्हें connect हुआ. मतलब I've gone on, I think, random tangents. I don't know, but what I just told you guys, I'm just being honest, and I think that you guys can sense that. And if you have uh, recovered from something, and that something has changed your life. Please let me know in the comment section. एक दूसरे से बात करेंगे तो जानेंगे ना यार. अगर बात ही नहीं करेंगे तो you know attraction है. मगर कभी बात ही नहीं की तो like what's the point? क्या होगा? कुछ नहीं होगा. So बहुत wrong analogy दी है, but you can feel it कि मतलब क्या impart करना चाह रहा हूँ. So take care, and I really want everyone to live their best life. यही मैं चाहता हूँ, और कुछ नहीं है.